And if we're going to act like it, then I think that, there has to be penalty under the law for taking the life
A lot of
of
people in the
that.
pro-life movement would disagree with you on this, Abby.
I know they would. Now I'm not saying that, we have to lock every woman up or whatever. That's not what I'm saying. But I have come to a position where I believe um, that there does need to be due process. Um, and there would be some women who have absolutely been forced and coerced
Or
into
just
making
completely ignorant and have no idea.
completely ignorant, have no idea what's going on. Their their parents have forced them into making this decision. Should they be prosecuted? Absolutely not. But there are women who are very knowingly, very selfishly making the decision to have 9, 10, 12 abortions,
Mm.
who are taking abortions on the steps of the Supreme Court out in the open, who are taking the abortion pill on national TV. Um, do I believe that those women should go through some sort of possible prosecution for the murder of their child? Yeah, I think there should be some justice there, and I think there should be some due process. And so I have sort of come to a different opinion on that as I've watched our culture change.